In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper inside of your Brother DCP-L2640DW. The paper goes right over here. This is where the tray is located. Put your fingers right under this small cutout and pull the drawer. Like that. This printer can store up to 250 sheets of paper. That's a lot of them. First of all, you see there's these green tabs. By the way, you can take this drawer out completely. You're gonna have A6, A5, B5, EXE, LTR for letter size paper, and if you even have one over here which is for legal paper. Depending on the size of the paper you want to input, you're gonna move this and you're gonna align it with the line beside the appropriate paper size. I'll put letter size, so I'll put it right over here. Same for this other tab. You're gonna notice there's some inscriptions here and you just need to put it where it fits. So in my case, it's letter size. It's the last line. Take your stack of paper and align it before placing it. And then you just have to drop it like that in the drawer. And if you see that it does not fit properly, just open up the tab a bit more. Perfect. You're gonna notice on the side, there's this icon, the red icon with some red triangles. It simply means that your paper stack should never go above this red line. If not, the paper may get stuck inside of the printer. When you're ready, simply insert the drawer back in the printer. And this is about it. Before printing, don't forget, you have this little tab over here that you need to open, and it extends even further. This way the paper, once it gets printed, especially if you're printed on legal size paper, won't go fly around on your table or on the floor. It will stay on this tray. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.